Hello my friends, I'm so excited today because I have brand new items from MAC right here in my hand. Here I have for you brand new blushes. This is its Strobe Beam Liquid Blush and I have for you 10 colors. I will swatch for you, I will try them, and these blushes not just for your cheek, you can use them on your lips too. 10 colors, they intense, they so beautiful and different compared to different brands. Then I also have two brand new moisturizer from MAC, and this is it's a Strobe Cream Hydrating Illuminating Moisturizer, and this is not just your basic moisturizer. This is moisturizer have also skincare benefits, and I have something very special. And probably I'm the first who's gonna show you this little secret, but you know what? It's so good. I have for you to see brand new MAC mascara. Watch to the end because you're gonna be impressed or maybe not. Price point it's $30. They have a very nice big applicator. We have 0.14 ounce of products here, and it's good for 24 months. Made in Canada. Hi Canadian girls, love you more than ice cream. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Let me show you all these 10 colors really close, and of course I will swatch for you. Look at these colors, unbelievable. This is its Strobe Beam Liquid Blush. I have for you right here 10 colors. This is it's a iridescent liquid blush with sheer buildable coverage. Also, this blush have a very nice, lovely ingredient. I will say good ingredient for your skin. Some this blush have a iridescent finish. You can use this blush to strobe scalp, underpaint, shape. It's very unique and beautiful formula. Very light texture. Let me swatch for you. This is first color Lightning. It looks yellowy. I see a little bit shine. I see a little bit iridescency in this color. But personal, it will be too dark for highlighter, or it's not my favorite to use this color for a blush. Color Starlight. Ooh, I see iridescent here color. It's a beautiful, looks like a light peach color. Formula go very creamy. I will say even have a little bit like a cooling effect. This very wet formula. Next color, it's Magic Aura. Very light formula. Ooh, this is it's a like purple and magenta color. I love it. Can you see this glow? Look at this beautiful Magic Aura color. Ooh, I do see a nice, beautiful, I will say purpley iridescent color. Ooh, can you see this glow? Next color, Good Vibes. Ooh, let's see what kind of vibes this blush gonna give us. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful rich color. Oh, I can't wait to try this color on my lips. Next color, Ice Glam. It's a beautiful peachy color, and it looks like have little iridescent finish here. Apricot Jelly, really bright orange color. I really like how this product glides on my skin. Color Unsweetened. Oh, how pretty rich this color. I will say it's a deep red, but it's a brick red color. Oh my god, can you see how beautiful these colors? And this blush, it feels very cool on my hand. Color Plummy Bear. Next color, it's Lava Light. Look at these colors, they're pretty intense. They are very rich, these colors. Last color, it's Nita Light. After I swatch all these 10 colors, let me know in the comments below which one color is your favorite. Definitely first color, second color, third color, and this color have a little bit glow, a little bit, I would say, iridescency, not sparkling, not really illuminated and highlighting finish, but they definitely have little bit glow. But all these colors, it's so pretty. And remember, you can use this blush not just for your cheek, you can use these products on your lips too. Woohoo! Wow, it's a lot of beautiful blush colors, right? Love you more than ice cream. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. I need your help. Really appreciate your big support and love. Now I have for you two moisturizer, and this is its brand new Strobe Cream Hydrating Illuminating Moisturizer. I have for you here two colors. I have for you Bronzy Light and I have UV Light. This is, it's not your basic moisturizer. First $37, and this is a 2-in-1 moisturizer and highlighter together. Help boost the look of dull old skin like mine. I'm just kidding, but if you want your skin looks healthy, glowing, sometimes you can use this product. No, sometimes you can use this product by itself. You can use this under your foundation, on top your foundation. You can mix with your regular moisturizer. You can mix with your foundation for glowy and dewy illuminating look. When I put this moisturizer, look, it looks white, but wait a second. Can you see this beautiful glowing products? I want you to see these two colors together. So this one, which one in the top, it's a bronzy one, have definitely gold, very light bronzy undertone. I will not say it's bronze, it looks more gold, liquid gold, and on top, in the bottom, it's more, I will say, pinky, little bit violet shades. I love this. We have hyaluronic here. This is, it's your not just strobing moisturizer, it's also skincare moisturizing product. This moisturizer, I believe, come in 4 different colors, but I have 2 for you. We have 1.7 ounce here of 50 ml. I believe it's $37. And what I like about this product, when you apply your skin, it still looks hydrating. It's not your illuminating product you apply and it's dry. No, it feels very rich moisturizer, and I love it's fragrance free. Time to play with blush. It have a smell. I will not say it's sweet like a sugar candy or any fragrance. It reminds me something like nail polish. I'm not sure if I like this, but let's try. This is its color Ice Glam. Because it's a light color, I'm okay to apply just like this. If it's very, I will say, rich dark color, I prefer to apply on my hand first and warm product and then apply on my cheek. But because it's a light color, it's okay. Okay, this is its pretty light color. You can see I reapplying. Give me nice beautiful glow. It's not feels heavy, and it feels a little bit cool. Color looks good, sits on my skin very nice, and I like it. Gives me this nice beautiful glow. It's not your matte blush. Let's try this product on my lips. I love this ice gleam color on my lips. It's so pretty peachy color with little bit pearl, even goldy shift. I'm not sure if I like how this product feels on my lips. I feel it's a little bit like alcohol. Maybe it's my imagination. But will I wear this product on my lips? Yes, because it's beautiful. Now let's try this Magic Aura color, and this is its pretty bright color. It's like purple and magenta color. I'm not gonna take a risk. I don't wanna apply on my entire cheek. I'm gonna apply first this product on my hand. I'm gonna warm a little bit, and now I'm gonna apply this product with a finger. I wanna see how this product gonna go with my hand. Okay, it's very pretty. I like how glowing this blush. It's not dry. I'm tired to see a blushes that looks like creams, and when you apply it on your cheek, they dry and then they don't look good. And it's very pretty. Oh my god, I love texture. I like how this blush looks on me. Okay, I put a little bit too low. Just clean up with my foundation. And today I'm wearing, yes, double wear, my favorite foundation. It is very pretty. Oh my god. Okay, now let's add maybe a little bit more. Easy to blend, not blotchy. I love this blush. I love quality. I like how this blush sits on my skin. This color Magic Aura also have a little bit stain power, but usually all like magenta colors, red colors, deep colors will always give me and probably you too stain. But it's okay, no problem. Yeah, no, не надо energy дать. 1, 2, 3. Magic Aura. Before I apply this lip, 1, 2, 3. Before I try this Magic Aura, before I apply this Magic Aura product on my lips, because remember, this is not just blush. You can use this on your lips and you can use it on my cheek. I just want to show you. This color have a pretty nice stain power. Wow, what a beautiful color. I have a little bit this purpley blue iridescent, I will say, shift. I love this color. Let me know, do you like first lip color or second color on me? And let's play a little bit more. I have a Good Vibes blush here, and I'm gonna just add a little bit more right here. Oh my god, this one have a pretty nice color. Oh, let's blend a little bit. Let's blend. I'm using my beauty blender. Okay, I'm happy now. Be careful, some of these blushes really intense, but it's a pretty color. I am happy. I know you're gonna ask me, Katerina, what do you think about this blush? Light texture, glowing, gel formula. Absolutely in love how this blush sits on my skin. Glowing, hydrated. I have large pores It's actually sits so beautiful. It's not bring my texture, it's not bring my large pores. What the difference between, well, say YSL I have on my hand. I do like this balm blush from YSL. This will give me a same effect, but it's a little bit more sticky and balmy on my face, and it's way more lighter. And what do you think about this blush? Which one? I absolutely love. I actually feel this one is a little bit more dry to compare to MAC. I personally like MAC right now. And now I'm gonna tease you. Yes, I have right here a brand new MAC eyeshadows. Ah, they're amazing. Oh, what can I say? They are creamy, they're waterproof, they stay so good. Let me just choose one color for you to see, just one, because I'm gonna create a brand new video where I will swatch and I will show you all these colors. Again, it's not even available for sale. I'm gonna show you one color, subliminal spike. It's so hard to pronounce. Again, it's a long wearing eyeshadow. Look at this beautiful sparkles. Tastes so good. You can't go wrong with this color. It's incredible. It's a cool undertone color. It's just so pretty. This is such a beautiful color. It stays so good. It's popped my eyes. I look so beautiful and sexy. All what I can say, my friend, this is the best sparkly, cool undertone eyeshadow I ever own, I ever try. It looks so beautiful. I don't know if its camera will show how gorgeous this color. Okay, let me come to your camera close. Can you see these sparkles? And now I'm gonna show you brand new MAC Stud Elevated Mascara. Oh my god, this is such amazing mascara. Let me show you this brush really close. Look at this mascara really close. Can you see this brush? It's not your straight brush. It's a very unique hair curl. It's a volume lengthening, separating mascara. Oh my god, so good. Let's try. Wow, I love this brush. I like how tiny this brush. Very good separation I see. Give me a pretty nice volume, buildable volume. Okay, I definitely see length. Wow, my lashes look so long. Wow. Volume, I will not give me extreme volume, but my lashes looks really natural, very well separated, and definitely they look so long. Wow. I hope you have a good time with me today. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please support me. I need your help. Subscribe, comments below. Let me know what is your favorite item. I think I'm the first who's showing you this beautiful, very high quality product, and I love the not overpriced. And yes, if you want to see this beautiful cream eyeshadow from MAC, comments below. I will swatch, I will review them for you because they are gorgeous. Love you more than ice cream, and I will see you in my next video.